How much? Today I'm mixing up some fertilizer. I'm using this Alaska fish fertilizer. I got this, it's like a 20-gallon garbage can over here. It's filling up with water right now. 2 to 3 tablespoons per gallon. Well, I have a tablespoon right here. Stuff stinks. Ugh. Wow. Okay, let's shut this water off here. Good enough. All right, 20 tablespoons. One. That's not right. I got 20 gallons, 3 tablespoons per gallon. I need 60 of these. 60. That's 20. That's 60 tablespoons for 20 gallons. That's 3 tablespoons per gallon. That's what it calls for on the side. 3 tablespoons per gallon. All right. Now, we'll stir it up. I mix dirt with this soil, topsoil. I also use it just as a beater, like for this project. I'm using it to stir up this fertilizer water. And it does a pretty good job. Just hook it on your drill, put it in low gear, and you know, I'll see if I can find a link for it on Amazon. I don't know if I have one or not, but I love this tool. I think it's a great beater for a lot of different things. Like I said, if I find something that's, you know, worth your while, I'll recommend it. If it's not worth your while, I'm not going to recommend it. But that beater is a good thing. I'm going to turn the pump on. It comes with a little remote control. You plug your appliance, in this case I'm using that pump. You plug your appliance into that, and then this controls whatever's plugged in. So I'm going to plug the pump into this, and when I water, I just turn it on and off with the remote. This plugs in here. Plugs into my outlet. This goes in the water. Now, let's see if it starts pumping. Haha, look at that. Perfect. Now I can come in here, water my tomatoes. Oh, we got a kink. Wouldn't you know it? Phew, that stinks. All right. Turn this on. You gotta love that. Control right there. Oh, you can see the brown coming out now. That is good fertilizer. I love it. Doesn't over water, you just shut it off. love it. Let's go outside. Yeah, like I said, if I find a good product, I'll recommend it. I'll show you how it works. I'll tell you if it's good. You probably won't see a bad review unless it's something that just really disappointed me. It's a great little device. We use it for our Christmas lights. You plug your Christmas lights in and then you just have this little remote. But it's great little device. Anything you plug in, got a remote control right in the tip of your fingers. I hope you have a great day.